Want to simplify employee onboarding and permission management? Discover how Toco Site Manager allows you to add employees, create custom roles, and assign user permissions to streamline your workflow. Save time, reduce hassle, and focus on growing your business. Get ahead of the competition with Toco. Adding a new employee is easy. Go to Employee Management on the left and select Employee. Now click the Add New button on the top of Actions. You will be redirected to the Add New Employee page. Enter the name of the employee and select the gender. Type the mobile number and alternative mobile number. Enter the email. If your employee doesn't have an email, you can create one for them and set the password for their account. I'll show you how to set the password later. Select the date from the calendar here. Select the country and state. Enter the city and address. Enter the PIN code. Select the role from this box. In this list, super admin, manager, and staff are system default roles. All the other ones are custom roles and they can be edited. We can see about that in detail later. Here, in Has Login, you can select the admin panel or mobile app or both. For the site manager role, I am providing mobile app access only since all site work updates are managed through the app. Your employee can access their new account from a phone or computer only if you select the checkbox here. Enter the per day salary of your employee. Here, you can attach the employee documentation. Save your changes to complete the new setup. Easy, right? You can seamlessly add more employees from your company using the same steps. This is your employee list. From here, you can view, edit, reset passwords, and delete employees. Click View to see an employee's details. If you need to make changes, select Edit, update the information, and you're done. Then select the Reset Password. Here, you can set a password for your new employee. The Reset Password feature is only available to your super admin account, providing a secure and controlled process for managing password resets. You can delete the employees too. On the top, you can find the search box. Search your employee details here. Here, you can filter and see your employees according to their roles. You can see the active and inactive employees here. Reset all these filters to default by clicking the Reset button. We have granted access to the mobile app while creating an employee. Let's verify that in the Toco Site Manager app using the credentials we have set for our site manager. We are logged in and ready to go. We have also not given access to the admin panel, so we can't log into the web application with this site manager's credentials. Let's verify that too. Oh no, as expected, you can't log in. But you can if you go to your super admin account and give access to the admin panel. Go to the employee panel of your super admin account. Select Edit and check the admin panel. Save the changes. Now let's give it a try. Log in with your site manager's credentials. That's it, we have logged in successfully. What's a role in Toco Site Manager? Roles refer to the specific set of permissions and access levels assigned to users in the master menu, defining what action they can perform within the system. Now, go to Roles in the master menu. Before we create a new role, let's see about the 3 system default roles I mentioned earlier. They are Super Admin, Manager, and Staff. By default, the Super Admin account has unrestricted access to all features and functions. As you can see, all permissions are automatically enabled for the super admin role, granting complete control over the system. So everything is visible here on the menu. The manager role has all access privileges including dashboard visibility, but has no access to employees within the employee management menu and roles within the master menu. Let's take a look at the manager account. As you can see, the employee management section and the role section are not available here. The staff role has limited access with no visibility to the dashboard, employee management menu, and the entire master menu. These 3 system default roles cannot be edited, deleted, or have their permissions modified. Let's try viewing in the super admin role. You can change the name, but when you click save, your changes will not be saved. Now let's move on to creating custom roles. To create a custom role, select the Add New button. You will be directed to an Add Role page. I'm going to create a new role for a project manager. You can customize any role according to your company's preferences. Click Save. You have created a new role successfully. You can edit or delete this role anytime. Let's check the user permissions. All user permissions for custom roles are unchecked by default. You can give or restrict access to whatever permissions you want for any role. For example, here I have given access to all permissions except Project Financial Summary, Project Overview Report, Project Base Contractor Bill and Role. Let's take a look at the Project Manager's account. Here you can see in the Reports menu the Project Financial Summary, Project Overview Report and Project Base Contractor Bill are missing. However, these reports are crucial for the Project Manager's role, so let's provide access to them. On the other hand, I find the Employee section is unnecessary for the Project Manager, so let's restrict access to that. To give or restrict access, I'm going back to my Super Admin account. Go to User Permissions. To check an action, you must first select View. Selecting other actions first will result in an error message as shown on the screen. Now, I'm going to grant access to Project Financial Summary, Project Overview Report and Project Base Contractor Bill. Next, I'm going to restrict the Employee feature. Unchecking the View box first will automatically uncheck the rest of the boxes. Do you want to see the updated menu? Here it is. Optimize workforce management with a Toco Site Manager's employee and role feature designed specifically for construction businesses. Adding new employees is super easy and managing existing ones is effortless. With customizable roles and user permissions, construction companies can ensure that their employees have access to the right tools and information, reducing errors and maximizing productivity.